Tagiwe, you're drunk. Fucking stupid Malema. You will never lead this country. I've cursed you long time ago because of your attitude, and you think you are smart. You started this from the ANC Youth League. You hated us as a Zulu people, but when you go out there, you say the province of KwaZulu-Natal is a deciding province, and while you hate all of us, even the people who were with you in ANC Youth League can witness that you hated Zulu people long time ago. How can you hate Giant? How can you hate superior? How can you hate power? How can you hate victorious? We are the victorious people. We are never defeated. We don't fear anything. Without being tribalist, I'm telling you straight away. How are you going to go to?